Let's see what's cooking in here today. Morning, girls. Oh. You got anything for me today? Looks like you do. Can I have them, please? Can I? Come on. Hey! You know the rules. You lay 'em, I fry 'em. Hey, enough with that foul language. You want me to put my hand in there again? You calling me a chicken? How would you like to end up beside some mashed potatoes tonight for dinner? Come on, I'm going to give you one more chance. Come on. Ah! Oh, you. Somebody woke up on the wrong side of the coop this morning. I guess I'll come back later.